Hey guys, today we're going to check out the bubble thing, and then you guys will see what's going to happen. So first, my mom will open the bubble.
Okay, hold that while I open it.
Ow.
So I'm gonna open the bubble solution.
Yeah.
So this is the bubble bag. This is where we're gonna pour the bubbles in. Here's the solution. Comes with 2 bags. So we're just gonna dump both bags in there.
Yep.
Okay.
But right now we don't have.
We're gonna do the one bubble solution, and we're gonna pour it in.
Yeah.
Oh, oops! I ripped it. We poured 1 bubble solution in. Okay, now we're gonna rip the other one.
There's a 3rd one.
There's only 2 bubble solutions. And then pour that in. Pour that in. And there we go. We have our bubble solution. Okay. Then we're going to put everything in the garbage. So give me 1 second. I will be right back. I'm going to put these in. I'm going to show you how it works.
I'll pause it.
So if you don't use all of the solutions, not really a lot. It's not really a lot. But if you don't use it, the great thing is, you know, there's a Ziploc. So you can close it up and then save it for another day. Alright, close it up, save it for another day. So let's close it up, and then we're going to take it to the driveway. Alright, so we're on the driveway. Kai already opened up her one. And so what you're going to do is you're going to put those on your hands. You're going to put it on your hands. Yeah, Kai. Okay, put them on your hands, and I'm coming to help you now. So put yours on your hands. Put them on your hands.
Yeah, I'm sure I know how to use it.
You got them on your hands? Now you're gonna squeeze them. Can you squeeze your hands with it? Kai, put yours on your hands. Okay, bring them for me, and I'm gonna help them. Okay. I'm gonna open them.
It might be too hard to put them in.
Okay, so there's grooves for your fingers. Your fingers might be small. So there you go. Your grooves for your fingers. Look, thumb. Thumb goes here. Right? Finger, middle, ring, pinky. Right? It's in the shape of your hand. So try to put your hand in those spots. Yeah.
Look at this whole place. Look at this whole place.
Look at the beautiful clouds. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. Busy park, but nice quiet street. Soak it all up. There you go. Look at the bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles. I put yours on. And here. Alright guys, we have some bubble hand wands. Wanna try it out? Alright. Okay, let's try it again. So what we do is we put our hand in it. We soak it in the paper, in the bag with the bubble solution. And then we wave our hands. Bubbles! I bubble, you bubble, we bubble, everybody bubble, bubble. Here we go again. Dip it. Dip, dip. Yeah? Bubble City. Bubble City. Awesome.